Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I'm going to explain you how to pass an array to a function as an argument. Okay, and you can modify that array. So how do we do that? First of all, this is my simple HTML code with title as a pass an array to a function because we are going to through this topic. Okay, so let's start. This is our body tag. Okay, and within body tag and within script tag, we are first thing that we define array. Okay, now for demo purpose I'm going to convert my array values to its uppercase. That means whatever the string values are there, I'm going to convert it to uppercase. Okay, so how do we do that? So let's first define one array variable, that is my array, and give some values. Let's say Parul, Vaghamshi. After that, let's say GMIT. After that, JavaScript. Okay, so these are the values. Now next thing is define function which I am going to call to convert this array to uppercase. Okay, so to define function, that keyword that you have to use is function keyword. Okay, and let's say my function. Now in this function I have to pass one argument that as a parameter. So let's say I am declaring as a my array. Okay, not my array, like that. Okay, after that define this function. Okay, so this is just we have created function like this. Now before going into further, let me just call this function. Okay, so how do we call that? Variable. Okay, not variable, my function, and within that function I have to pass my array, that is my array. Okay, and just put it semicolon over there. Now inside this function what you have to do is first thing is tag for loop. Within for loop declare one variable I, initialize with 0. After that semicolon. Now you can see that syntax of for loop is similar to JavaScript or a C programming language. Okay, you can note it. After that I less than, now I is less than my array dot length. Okay, after that I plus plus. Now inside this for loop okay, over here it is capital A, and you all are aware about that Java is case insensitive language. Okay, so be careful. My array I is equals to my array I dot. Now I am going to call one inbuilt function of any array object. Okay, over here this is my array object. Okay, so for every array object in JavaScript there is one inbuilt function to uppercase, which is used to convert your string values to uppercase. Okay, so just call this function to uppercase. Okay, very easy. After that just put one return statement, return my array. So what is the flow is that over here I have called my function. Okay, my function, and passed this array as an argument. Okay, over here it is holding this array, that is Parul, Vaghamshi, GMIT, Gmail. Now within this function, because I want to I want to access this all the values of this array. That's why I have took one for loop. Okay, within this for loop I have declared one variable, that is I is equals to 0. Now this I, it should be it should be less than my array dot length. Okay, so first of all, what is length of this one is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I is less than 4. That means your loop will iterate 4 times because it is starting from 0. So 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, so I is less than 4. That means up to 3 times, 0 1 2 and 3. After that, this is your incremental condition, that is I plus plus. Now within this for loop, what I have done is just access this all wall values through indexing, that is my array I. Now whenever this loop is running for first time, I is equals to 0, I is less than 4. Okay, yeah, condition is true, and you can see that my array 0. So what is indexed? It is 0 in this array, that is parallel. So parallel will be converted to uppercase. Okay, if you want to check for it, then you can check it like that. Alert, okay, my array I. You can see now. Okay, let me just explain this statement. Now over here, this function in returning something. Okay, now if function is returning something, then there must be something kind of a variable to hold that values that this function will return. Okay, so let me just define another variable, my upper array is equals to. So I think you understand it now. Okay, so whenever this statement will be executed, this function will return uppercase array, which will be stored in this variable. Okay, so first of all, let's just execute it. Okay, function launching from okay, you can see that this is our indexed value and it is converted into uppercase. Okay, my array indexed 0, my array indexed 1, index 2 and index 3. Okay, you can see that. Okay, it was just for a demo purpose. Now let me just put it in comment. Okay, and whenever this function is written into my upper array, so now let me put alert over here and give array before plus, so before it was my array. Okay, plus array after that means in uppercase. Okay, so what is my upper array? Okay, let me run this program. Now you are expecting that before and after this both array will have a different it will be in different case, but you can see that array before it is also in uppercase and array after it is also in uppercase. Now you can see that. So what is the problem over here? We have printed our original array. Okay, and over here the result that is written by our function. So what is the problem? Now there is nothing problem at all, but in JavaScript over here you are just referring this array. Okay, that means you are passing a reference of an object. That means whenever you just modify in terms of only variable name, then that original array it will be changed. Okay, that original array only it will be referred. So for that purpose, if you want to keep your original array as it is, and you want to that new values in different array, then what you have to do is, let's say I am declaring one variable, that is result is equals to declaring array variable. Okay, now over here this statement is right up to. you just need one little modification over here, that is result dot push method. Okay, now it is also inbuilt method of array push method, just like to uppercase. This is a method of a string. Okay, this is method of a string because over here these values are string. Uppercase is my method of string. Now this push method, it is of array object. This one is of string object and this one is of array object. So over here we are calling for function that is result dot push method. So this push method, what will do it? It just passed. It will just tag in that particular array that we are passing as our argument. Okay, so over here we are passing as argument my array I to uppercase. That means whatever value is converted into uppercase, it will be just pushed into this stack. Okay, now this return statement will be return result just as it is. Just this kind of modification is needed. Okay, it's just, let me just save it and refresh this page. Now over here you can see that array before, that is Parul Vaghamshi GMIT JavaScript, that is our original array, and this one is our converted array. So this is a difference how you pass this function. Okay, I hope you understood it. Bye bye.